You know, I cook a lot of things on this Blackstone griddle, but one of my favorite things to do, one of the simplest and easiest thing to do is pizzas. That's right, pizzas on the Blackstone are so simple, so easy, but yet so delicious. And the good thing about pizza is, just like anywhere, you have so many ways you can customize it and make it your own. I'm gonna make a very simple pizza today, make it really easy to do, and just show you the basics. You let me know down in the comments how you like your pizza and what you put on your pizza. But right now, we need to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up, because we really don't have any prep to do. I will show you some of the ingredients and some of the things I'm using to make it a really simple recipe, but all we gotta do is wait on that griddle to heat up. So let's go ahead and talk about some of these things right here. Now, as far as pizza crust go, I went ahead and bought this store-bought pizza crust. There's 2 in this pack right here. Really simple to do. They really make a great pizza at the end of the day. You can make your own dough and all that, but it's kind of hard to do on the griddle itself, so just go out and buy these. Now, I have some mild Italian sausage. Of course, we have some pepperoni, some mozzarella. We have some Italian seasoning, garlic salt, and of course, our sauce and some butter. And y'all, that's all it's going to take to make these delicious pizzas today. But for right now, we need to go over here and check on that griddle. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoke, and you know what that means. It's time to get some groceries on this griddle. But we got to heat up some sauce first. And I'm going to use my basting pot right here. Love that thing. Now use whatever kind of sauce you want. This is tomato basil. I love this sauce right here. Get some in there right there and get it heating up. Now we can get busy on the crust. Take that back, y'all. Get ahead of myself. I'm ready to get this pizza made. We got to brown up this sausage. So we're going to open this pack up here, and I'm going to brown up this entire pack of mild Italian sausage. Get off here. Get on there. There you go. Get your paper off here, because that probably won't taste too good. Yeah, we got to brown up this sausage first. This sausage sure is looking good. Look at that right there. Yes, sir. Getting real close. So you know what that means? Time to work on that pepperoni. I got to find it. It's over here. Found it. Sometimes I put things too far away from myself. You ever do that? Or is it just me? Now, I had it open just now. There we go. Got it open. So what I'm going to do is just come in here, grab a bunch of these pepperonis right here. And I'm just going to start laying them out around the edges here. Just kind of toast them up a little bit. Because toasted pepperonis are so much better than just regular pepperonis. And I don't know how many I'm going to need. I'm just going to use a whole bunch. I think that's the way to go. So we'll just put a bunch around here, all around the edges so they can kind of cook a little slower. Perfect. Love it. There we go. Pepperonis are on. Let's stir our sausage up. Sausage is looking just about done. I think the camera over here failed when I was trying to show you how good this sauce is coming along. Look at there. Getting some steam, starting to boil a little bit. This sausage is just about done where I want it. And look at these pepperonis, y'all. Look how good those are toasting up and getting all good and pepperoni. So let's slide everything over right here. Let's get to working on that crust. So I'm going to grab up some butter. You got to have butter. I mean, you can use olive oil, whatever you want. But I like using butter. And I'm just going to put a good bit down right here in the center. We'll make sure my griddle's on low, which it is. I don't want this to cook too fast. Now we have that butter down. We need to grab up this garlic powder. I'm just going to sprinkle it on into this butter right here. Good old garlic butter. Ooh, that smells good. Now we want to grab up one of these crusts. Now, this crust don't really have a top side or bottom side, so use whatever side you want. But I think is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this side down first, like that. Get it in there and just get a little light toast on that side. Then we're gonna flip it over and build this pizza. Yes, sir. That sauce is looking really good, y'all. And this sausage, check it out. Looking even better. The pepperonis are amazing. Push down on this, kind of get it toast up a little bit. Let's see how it's looking. Good enough for a pizza. I say let's start building this thing. Now the first thing to any pizza is gonna be that sauce. So let's get some sauce down here, y'all. What I'm doing is going ahead and building this while it toasts up on that other side. Kind of killing two birds with one stone, I guess you'd say. And how much sauce do you like? Some people like a lot of sauce, some don't. The family around here is not a big sauce person or people, so we're gonna leave it just like that. Now, have sauce down. Grab up that mozzarella cheese. Look at that, had it open. Now, one thing I do like is a lot of cheese. Gotta have a lot of cheese. Look at that, boy. You can see the steam coming off that sauce. Yes, sir. This is gonna be a good pizza right here. So get that cheese all the way out to the edges if that's the way you like it, or do you like to leave a little crust? You know, that's the good thing about making these on your own. You can do them the way you like. Now, some sausage. Get on here, and I'm just gonna come in here and just sprinkle sausage all over it. Like I say, I am just a big lover of sausage. Love sausage. How's that, y'all? Now we need them pepperonis, and I got my tongs, and they work. Let's come on here and just grab up these toasted pepperonis and just put them all over this pizza. It's gonna be a good pizza right here, y'all. I think I picked out just enough pepperonis. What do y'all think? Look at there. Cover that whole pizza. But you know what this pizza needs? I'm gonna tell you what it needs. It needs more cheese. It needs just a little bit of more cheese on top. Just to kind of hit them top of the pepperonis right there. That's good. And then, well, it needs some seasoning. Although it's seasoned a lot, you think I would have took the top off, don't you? This here is an Italian grinder that I love to use. If you have a favorite Italian seasoning, by all means use it, but I highly recommend this right here. So I'm just gonna come in here and just add this to it. Now, you may be asking yourself, how are we gonna melt this down? Well, I'm gonna show you. If you have a Blackstone with a lid on it like this, you can close this down, spray a little water, it'll melt it on down. Or these domes right here, the round Blackstone domes, man, they fit perfectly right over this pizza. Look at that. Just the way you want it. And that'll melt it on down. Now, another thing you can do, especially if you're using the big lid to close it down, is use a little bit of water. I'm gonna take a little water and just kind of spray over here around the edges and kind of get that steam in there to working its magic, melting that cheese down, just making it all come together. This thing has been under that dome for a little less than 5 minutes, somewhere around there. What I'm trying to do is get everything melted down and toast that bottom. But let's pop the top and see if it's ready to come up. Here we go. Let's see what we got, y'all. Oh yeah, that's looking really good there. Cheese is melted down. Pepperonis are looking good. Everything's looking really good. But we need to check on that bottom. So let's lift it up and see. Oh, it's looking pretty good under there. So I say we take it up, take it over here, cut it up, and try it out. So let's slide this whole thing over here. Get it over. Grab up both our spatulas. We don't want to dump none of this goodness out. Put it on our cutting board. Take it over here and check it out. Come on. Told you that'd be fast. I mean, look, you got a pizza ready that quick. I am going to hit a little more seasoning on top, though, because I just absolutely love this seasoning. Now, I got to show you this up close. Then I got to cut it up, and, well, I got to try it out. This pizza right here, to me, looks delicious. I mean, look at all that sausage, that cheese. Give you another view of the crust under here. Look at that crust under there, y'all. Yes, sir. This is going to be some good eating right here. Y'all, it looks pretty dang good, don't it? Now, we got to cut it up. Now, I bought a pizza the other day, and they asked me, do you want 6 slices or 8 slices? I told them to make 6 because I don't think I can eat 8. I mean, 8's a lot of slices to eat. 6 I can do, but 8, that's just a little much. So I just told them to cut it into 6s. But this one, we can do however we want. Now, I do have the Blackstone pizza cutter here, rocker. I love this thing. Look how sharp that is. So we're going to cut this up. There we go. Simple as that. Now, I'm not trying to call nobody out, but have you ever been to a restaurant and you open up your box of pizza and the slices don't really match up? Kind of makes you wonder what's going on. But all these match up. And right now, I got to try one. I mean, look at that. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Good crust on that bottom. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Let's try it. Cheesy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Cheesy, pepperoni, sausagey. Good. This is just plain out good. Nothing about it. I gotta stop. That's so good. All right. That's delicious. The seasoning on top of that just really, really takes it to another level. Let me know in the comments down below what you'd add. Mushrooms, olives. Would you do veggie pizza, meat lovers pizza, bacon? You never go wrong with bacon. This is just something I wanted to put together real quick for the family. I got another one to make real quick. Take this inside, feed the kids, because actually it's going to be our supper tonight. But I just want to show you how easy it was just to make a pizza on the Blackstone griddle. You can use flatbread, which is great, but you buy these already made pizza crusts, works out perfect. So with that, I'm going to take this inside, start feeding the family, come back out, make another one, and we'll see you next time.